Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7395 on a Volkswagen Tiguan. If you find this video helpful, consider leaving a like and hitting the subscribe button below for any future installs. Starting off, remove the 3 screws located in each of the rear wheel wells. Remove the screws connecting the fender to the bumper. Pinch together the fender clips from inside the bumper while pulling the fender trim. Remove the screws hidden by the trim. Remove the screws from underneath the bumper cover. To remove the tail lights, pop off the vent covers inside the trunk of the vehicle. Then rotate the plastic wing nut. Pull the tail light away from the vehicle and disconnect the wiring. Starting from the wheels and working towards the center, carefully remove the bumper from the vehicle. Use a pry tool or screwdriver to push the release clips. Unplug any wiring harnesses and set the bumper aside. Remove the bolts connecting the crossmember to the frame. Remove the crossmember. This piece won't be reinstalled. Insert a bolt fisher through the front hole of the frame and out the end. Attach a 1x2 plate washer, internal tooth washer, and bolt to the fisher and pull the assembly through the frame and out the hole. Insert a matching hardware assembly through the rear hole. Place a 1.5x2 plate washer onto each bolt, followed by the frame support plate. Secure the plate with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat these steps on the other side. Lift your EcoHitch up into position and secure each hole with a bolt, lock washer, and split washer. Attach the hitch to the support plates with a bolt, washer, and lock washer, then secure the bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque down all the hardware. With the hitch installed, reconnect the wiring harness and reinstall the bumper. Reattach the fender trim. Reinstall the taillight assemblies. Reinstall the screws below the bumper and in the wheel wells. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklifts products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.